Hello everyone. Today we'll be seeing how you can create multiple sessions when you use Informatica's Test Data Management 952 HF2. My name is Arvind and I'll be the one who will be walking you through the demonstration. The agenda for the video is this. To begin with, let's make sure that the prerequisite is set. The prerequisite is EBF 13307 at least. Anything above that is fine. So once that is done, we'll see how we can assign a rule to a project, then to a port, then we can see how we can create a plan. Once the plan is created, we can see how to specify the number of sessions you need. And then let's go ahead and verify the same in Power Center. Let's jump on to the demonstration. So you're seeing what we call as the Informatica's Test Data Management. It's a simple, easy to use web-based graphical user interface. And as you see, I've already created a project, and by clicking on the help and clicking on about Informatica's persistent data masking and the data subset, you can see the EBFs that are installed. In this case, you can see that the EBF 13307 is installed at least. So once you have verified that, let's then go ahead and add a rule or a policy. So you can do subset or masking. So but in today's demonstration, we'll be seeing how to add a rule which is more related towards the masking. I've already created a rule called as key string, and I have added that into the project. So once you do that, the next step is to go ahead and look at the data itself. In this case, for today's demonstration purpose, I have created a relationship between the employee table, employee detail table, and the employee table. So you can see here in the diagram that employee detail and employee do have a foreign key relationship which is logical and manual. So let me go ahead and quickly assign the rule to the name field. All I need to do is select the rule, choose this, and select the rule, and then click. So that will assign the masking rule. We don't have to worry about emp underscore detail, and the reason being they have a foreign key relationship. So the solution will take care of itself. The next step is to go ahead and create a plan. So let me name the plan as demo underscore plan. Once you do that, it's in the plan where you can specify what components you want. The same project can have subset as well as masking components. In this demonstration, we are going to look at only at the masking components. So I'm not going to add any subset components. If I do want, I can go ahead and clicking on the subset components will help me add one. So then I can go ahead and specify the source and the target. Let me choose quickly the source and the target. So in this case, it's going to be an in-stream masking, which means the source and target are different. In-place masking is also possible. In-place masking as in the source and the target are the same. Now we are coming into the crux of the method, which means we're going to see how we can create multiple sessions. So to create multiple sessions, we need to make sure that the disable constraints options is checked. Then scroll down, and you can specify the number of parallel sessions you want. Let me specify it as 2. So once you do that, you can go ahead and click next. Then you can override the source settings if you want, or you can also override the settings at the entire plan level as well. Let me click save. The next step is to generate a workflow. This workflow will create a workflow within Power Center. So let me go ahead and quickly generate a workflow. So now we can see that the demo plan is success. So now let me quickly jump on to Power Center. Here we can see that we have a same name called demo underscore plan, and we can also see that we have 2 sessions as we requested. And also the disable constraints will disable the constraints between them and then load the data, and the enable constraints will automatically load the constraints. So this way you can increase the performance and have the multi-threaded feature of Power Center leverage within your organization. You don't have to wait for the data to be loaded one by one. So this feature will help you to create multiple parallel sessions, and these multiple parallel sessions can in turn be increased or used to load the data load performance. With this, we are coming to the end of the demonstration. If you have any questions or concerns, or if you have any feedback that you would want to provide to us, we would definitely love to hear from you. You can reach out to us at supportvideos@informatica.com, or the Twitter handle is https://twitter.com/infosupport. Thank you for your time. You have a great day.